Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the advanced mobile game screen recording test in the Realme GT device. So right now I'm trying to use the settings of 90 FPS, but when you're trying to use the screen recording and play at 90 FPS, the refresh rate will be exactly capped at only 60 FPS. Yes, as you can see friends clearly, that's what is happening right now in the Realme GT. So if you want to do the screen recording and play at 90 FPS, we cannot do that unfortunately. So right now I'm trying to use the CPU monitored floating temperature test. You can actually see the real-time temperature how it's increasing. So I'll try to do the screen recording test for a couple of minutes. And right now I'm trying to use the Realme Buds earphones as well, and I'm trying to play at 60 FPS
Killing
and
spree
using
for
the
the
screen
red
recording at
team!
the same time. I'll try to do for a couple of minutes of gameplay continuously
Kill! Target down! Cover
just
me!
to check how is the
Reloading!
gameplay is going on in this moment. So there is no real-time floating FPS meter available at this point.
Dead! Cover me! Nice shot! Reloading!
And overall the real-time FPS meter you can see exactly how much I'm getting. The real-time FPS meter you can see exactly 60 FPS. So I wish there could be some kind of 90 FPS and to play it to the recording, but we cannot do actually in the Realme GT. That's unfortunate, but still at least you can record screen recording at 60 FPS.
The blue team is in the lead.
So right now I'm trying to record the audio of my mic and even the gameplay sound as well. You can see the sound I did decrease a little bit.
Dead! Cover me!
I think now you should be able to hear my voice somewhat clarity.
Nice shot!
So let's see friends how is the gameplay going to be there. And right now the temperature you can see clearly in the CPU monitor floating application. So it increased to 41 degrees. From the beginning it was 38 degrees I think.
Clear! Reloading!
So overall the gameplay looks really smooth, not a
Dead!
problem
Cover me!
at this moment. Let me know in the comment section friends how you feel about the audio quality. So did you like the audio quality or not? But I did use the mic to record and even the system sound also to record at same time. So both things I'm trying to take the advantage at this time.
Enemy down! Nice shot! Enemy down! Reloading! Target down! Cover me!
So right now real-time FPS you can see exactly 60 FPS and you can see the CPU and the GB utilization, how much it is utilizing at this moment. So 53% and 13%. The GPU is not utilizing much. You can clearly see it's not taking much of the percentage.
Great! You're about to win!
The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
Let's see how is the final team that match. So I'll try to play for the game for a couple of minutes only and I won't take much of your time.
Blue team victory!
And now let's go to the drop test. Let's do the FPS drop test. Let's see how much the FPS will be dropping at this moment. And in case if you want me to do similar kind of videos on the other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below on what device you want me to do this kind of comparison. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video. And you can see the temperatures right now, it's of 41 degrees and 39 degrees CPU on the battery temperatures. And when I try to check with the thermometer, I mean physical outside, it was about 39.4. It's kind of close to accurate, you can say exactly. So there is no inbuilt floating FPS meter which is present in the Realme UI, not yet. So maybe in the future they need to add this kind of inbuilt FPS meter. That's what I was expecting. So you can clearly see that I'm trying to record with the mic and system sound. So my voice should be kind of clearly audible for you. So let's see how much the FPS will be decreasing at this point. And so I'll try to drop exactly in the boot camp. You're going to see how much the FPS will be dropping at this point exactly.
I got supplies.
So you can see the real-time FPS meter how much it is. Right now I'm trying to do the drop test and exactly in the boot camp while I'm trying to do manage. It was maintaining about close to 59 FPS, 60 and 57, 57 kind of FPS, not bad. So this is my first time doing this kind of a screen recording test in the Realme GT. So even I'm really interested to see how is the performance of this phone gonna be. So now let's do the another drop test in the Pochinki map. Let's see. So how will the FPS will be maintaining at this spot. So I did enable the auto jump option as well. So now we can actually see the real-time FPS, how much it's maintaining it at this point. So in the Pochinki map, I'm trying to do the drop test in the Realme GT. And make sure to hit that subscribe button also, friends, don't worry. And then make sure to follow the playlist of the Realme GT for more information. There you can actually find more and more details about this one. And right now the FPS drop is about 6, exactly maintaining 60 FPS, not bad. And the GPU and the CPU percentage, you can see how it's maintaining. So overall, there is not an issue in terms of the maintaining FPS exactly. It's really stable.
Form up on me.
And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And this is a quick review on the Realme GT using the screen recording. And overall, you can see the highest temperatures, the temperatures slightly start to increase if you try to use the screen recording and play the game. So right now you can see the temperature is 42 degrees. It's but outside it feels 39 degrees only. So this is a 10 minutes screen recording test which I thought of doing on this Realme GT. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to do similar kind of videos on other phones, let me know in the comment section below what phones you want me to do. Definitely, I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible.
Search for vehicles.
So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.